Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Grade 7 AB General Science. I am your science teacher Mrs. Sinaja. Students, chapter number 10 Light is continued. We have discussed different phenomena in this chapter. In previous slides, we have discussed about luminous and non-luminous object, about transparent, translucent, reflection of light, refraction of light. In this video, we will discuss about dispersion of light, causes of dispersion, and spectrum. What is dispersion of light? The spreading up of white light into its 7 constituent colors on passing through a prism. A transparent medium like a glass prism is called dispersion of light. It means the different colors of the spectrum are produced because different wavelengths of light are refracted at slightly different angles. This is called dispersion. Different wavelengths are seen as different colors, you can see here. Now, cause of dispersion. How dispersion takes place? The dispersion of white light occurs because colors of white light travel at different speeds through the glass prism. They don't have same speed. They travel with different speeds. The amount of refraction means bending of light. The amount of refraction depends on the speed of colored light in glass. Now, since the different colors travel at different speed, they are refracted by different angles on passing through the glass prism. So when white light consisting of 7 colors falls on a glass prism, each color in it is refracted by different angles, with the result that 7 colors spread out to form a spectrum. It means, student, white light is refracted at 7 different angles. It is due to wavelength. First, I define you what is wavelength. Here you can see distance between two same crests is called wavelength. Distance between two same points is called its wavelength. Here is shorter wavelength and here is longer wavelength. In 7 colors of spectrum, blue light has wavelength 470 nanometer and red light has wavelength 665 nanometer. You can see here long wavelength just like red light, low frequency, low energy, less refraction. Here short wavelength like in blue light, high frequency, high energy, more refraction. So when we pass white light through a prism, white light is split into 7 colors at different angles due to their wavelength. Now students, we will discuss about spectrum. The band of 7 colors formed on a white screen when a beam of white light is passed through a glass prism is called spectrum of white light. band of different colors, band of 7 colors you can see. The 7 colors of the spectrum are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. It can be denoted by the word Vibgor. You can see here visible white light. We can see white light. When white light passes through a glass prism, it splits into 7 colors, make a spectrum of 7 colors, that is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The band of 7 colors formed on a white screen when a beam of white light is passed through a glass prism is called spectrum of white light. Here is written visible spectrum. Colors we see corresponds to a specific wavelength on the electromagnetic spectrum. Colors are what makes up the visible spectrum. These all colors, these 7 colors make up visible spectrum that are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And when we pass white light through a prism, the white light is splits up into 7 colors at different angles, and these 7 colors make visible spectrum. The 7 colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Now students, we will discuss one experiment that proves that white light has different colors. Newton's experiment. Newton's performed an experiment to show that white light consists of different colors. A white light ray is passed through a prism to split it into the colors of the spectrum. You can see here white light is passed through a prism. White light is split into 7 colors and make a visible spectrum. The different colored light is allowed to pass through an identical prism kept in inverted position. You can see here inverted position of second prism. Then these all lights pass through this inverted second prism. The light emerging out of the second prism was found to be white, indicating that the light ray consists of 7 colors. Now students, we will discuss about rainbow. Rainbow. A rainbow is a natural spectrum appearing in the sky after a rain shower. It is caused by dispersion of sunlight by tiny water droplets present in the atmosphere. A rainbow is always formed in a direction opposite to that of the sun. The water droplets act like a small prism. They refract and disperse the incident sunlight, then reflect it internally, and finally refract it again when it comes out of the raindrop. Due to the dispersion of light and internal reflection, different colors reach the observer's eyes. You know, students, the Arabs and Chinese knew about lenses about 800 AD. 500 years later, the first spectacles were made in Italy. And you know very well, spectacles glasses are made by concave lens. Another information is the sky looks blue because blue light is scattered in all directions by the atmosphere. It means gases and particles in Earth's atmosphere scattered sunlight in all directions. Blue light is scattered more than other colors because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. This is why we see a blue sky most of the time. Okay students, hope you learned well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.